is a good boy. Yeah. Nico. You a good boy, Nico? Nico is a good boy. Yeah, Nico, are you a good boy? Yeah. Yeah, Nico. What you doing? You want to tell everyone what a good boy you are? Huh? Nico.
You want to give me a kiss?
No, I don't want to give you a kiss.
Come on.
No, I don't want to.
Hi, Nico.
Hi, Nico.
What you doing?
I'm taping you again.
Come on. You want to give me a kiss?
I don't want to give you a kiss.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No, that's sexual harassment, Nico.
Huh?
He said, huh?
You like that?
Nico, that's sexual harassment, Nico. You get a lawsuit.
Nico like that?
No, Nico doesn't like that. No one likes sexual harassment.
Nico like
Huh? Or a lawsuit. No one likes a lawsuit either. Nico, you're on crack.
Okay, come here, Bridget.
Nico, say bye.
You want to give me a kiss?
Say bye, Nico.
Come on.
Bye.
Come on.
All right.
You want to give me a kiss?
No, cut it out. Bye.
Yeah.
See you later.
Come on.
Bye.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No kiss. Stop it.
Why are you so aggressive with
Hear me.
that?
Hi, Nico.
Say bye, Nico.
What you doing?
Bye. See you later.
Hi, Nico.
All right.